Data types in programming. Data type identifies the type of data which the declared variable can hold. It helps the computer to understand what operations need to be performed on the declared variables. To declare the variable, you need to define name of the variable, its type. The common data types are data type used for declaration. Example: integer, int. It represents whole numbers 0, positive, negative value, not the decimal value, divided by integer value. Assigning non-integer values to integer variable returns an error. Variable holds only a single value. Int a equal to. Example: 7, 12, 999. Floating point float. It represents a real number with decimal values or fraction. Another type of floating point number is double data type to store even bigger values. Float a equals 5.1, semicolon, double a equals 9.99 multiplied by 8.888. Example: 3.15, 9.06, 00.13. Character. It holds a single letter. Example: A, B, C. The syntax of declaring a character variable is specific to the programming language. It is the smallest data type by size. Assigning a non-character type value to character type variable returns error. Char or char a equals z. 97 in ASCII 97 is a lowercase a. String. It represents alphanumeric characters and stores sequence of characters. It is used for the combination of any character which appears on the keyboard: letters, numbers, symbols. In Python, string variables can be declared either by single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. String a equals hello in double quotes, hello world, Alice, Bob 123. Boolean, bool. It represents logical values. It stores values in Boolean type only, that is, true 1 or false 0. It is a subtype of integer data type. Boolean b equals false, true, false.